Hey guys, so I'm going jogging today. This is my outfit, and I'm going to do. So I'm back, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to stick to the traditional I call it tripod thing because me really am truly can't bother with the smashing of the phone when you use the sticky suction thing. So yeah, man, I go back to my roots. Man, I mash up. Oh, I forgot change her in here too long. Me now mash up my sitting at them. What I call it? Me now mash up my gadgets them because of suction. Whew. I don't really want to spray my hair, but I'm gonna spray it up a little bit. You know, a little tiny bit, not too much, because I like the puffy look. So a little bit of water in it. By the way, this color here is so healthy, I really like it. It's a very good hair. I think I underestimated it because it was a bit reasonable. But I'll be buying hair from this company again. That is BUW in Atlanta. Yeah. Their hair is very good, guys. Like the hair, the quality is so good. It don't shed too much. You know, like it's just good. You have body. It's long, it look good. I really like it, man. Yeah. I'm gonna put more in there, guys. No, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah, look good, right? Alright, no, so by the way, this is a bag that I'm taking to go jogging, and it's from Lululemon. Very good bag. Shout out to Kimmy for putting me onto Lululemon brand. I never know about Lululemon until Kim put me onto Lululemon. So shout out to my friend Kimmy. Love you, Kim. Yes, so yes. I need one more. I need a pink one. Yeah. I also have a hat, a Lululemon hat, and I have the pink cup. But I think I'm gonna get a black cup, a pink bag, and a pink hat. Yeah. Yeah. Always ask me what brand sunscreen I use. This is the brand sunscreen I use on my face. It is Black Girl sunscreen, and it is SPF 30. Very good for dark skin. And I also use this on my body. So it's Neutrogena. I paid $6 for it in Burlington. Very good too. This one is more expensive. I think I paid like 3,000 Jamaican dollars for this. So yeah. I use this on my face, this on my body. So I think that is it. Oh, alright. Put it on my chest, my neck, my arms. I can't do the back because, well, I don't have no hair around at the back and I have the hand around at the back, but you know, I do it when I can do it. And plus, I feel like so the ear I'm gonna protect a little bit. The hair do a little protecting. The sunscreen now, I add my Summer Fridays lip balm. Somebody bought the other colors for me from my birthday wish list. So good, right? Sounds really nice. Whew. These are the scents for the day, guys. So this is Cozy and Creamy from Bath and Body Works, and this is Oud Vanilla, right? I honestly don't know where this come from. I got it from a friend. So It does smell nice. I was like, can I have it? And he gave me it. So yeah. I love vanilla scents. Like I have some vanilla scents in my Bath and Body Works cart right now. I'm going to get them. So that's the scent for the day, guys. And so I'm basically halfway the journey. My face is hurting like crazy, guys. Like my gum has been getting worse. I think I'm gonna have to get antibiotics for it. So yeah, but even though I'm in pain, I'm still going to try to complete the journey because that's why I came here, right? Yeah, and last week was a rough week. I didn't really do any exercising last week, so I have to get my workouts this week for sure. Hey guys, so I made it to the top, and yeah, I feel so good. My face, it's hurting, but it kind of cooled down because I took some vitamins and painkiller before I started. So I don't know, but here half of my face is swollen, it's painful, my ears is hurting, my neck is hurting. Yeah, it's really bad. Yeah, but let's enjoy the view for a moment before I head back down. So along the trail, people have passed me, and I have passed people, but I made it, right? That's just an important lesson, that it's not how fast you make it, it's just that you make it. That's all that matters. Yeah, and today I made it, but some made it before me, some made it after me. Yes. So now I'm going to head home to do some work. I'll probably make salmon today with sweet potato and lettuce salad. And yeah, that's about it. Have a great day, guys. Bye. I have water leaf back, by the way. That is impressive.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I know. He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby Muppets headed, 5-year bid up north when they read it. Anyway, I'm bring it over to my bed. Calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do on it? Anyway, I felt them, poked them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the D in the outer. I call him Tabby like Louders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at out of his fingers. I'm in the zone. That's like high school. We can slide through. keys to my soul. We used to never believe, baby, I know. He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do on it?
Anyway, I felt them, poked them, put them on lock, seat belt them, took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm Mama D in the outer. I call him Tabby like Louders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then look at out of his fingers. I'm in the zone. That's like high school. We can slide though.
Hey guys, I'm going on the road today, but first I'm gonna make an espresso. Yes, sorry about my clothes being wet. I was washing the dishes, and yes, I'm gonna make an espresso. Yeah, with my new creamer. Yeah, I've been just trying the different flavors of creamers. Yeah, this is like the caramel one, guys. The new caramel one, so I'll be trying this today. My milk almost finished.
Don't you say a word, I know time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only, so baby do it right, do me right. We can go
she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top of my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these forms. Back to Future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported. Insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit. Cause I can back it up. She know I'm the shit. So baby, back it up.
Hey guys, so I'm breaking my diet. I'm currently in the line at the drive-thru at KFC. I don't know, but I just feel for fried chicken. I just feel for something fried. So, but it up come down here for fried chicken. Yes guys, so I'm here with the pay to go home with my food. It rained today. I don't know if I did rain or fall. I'm just feel for fried food. So that my day I wait for now. Yeah. I'm next, guys. I'm next. Okay, guys. So this is what I bought from KFC. So I bought barbecue chicken. It was supposed to be hot and spicy wings, but them give me barbecue wings. So you know, I just take it. That's how they give me. This is a wings box. By the way, it come with biscuit. And it come with coleslaw. By the way, I stir it up so make it look so. And I bought popcorn chicken. And it come with this sauce. Yeah. Plus you want a little fried chicken taste there. I got some popcorn chicken. I will be watching one of my favorite movies while I'm eating. Oh Lord, I'm so tired. I need to get some coffee to put on the road today. And these are the scents that I'll be using. This is a cozy and creamy, and this I haven't used this in a very long time. So yeah, it comes in handy today, and I'm using my Summer Days lip gloss. I'm going to make a bowl, and I exercise before I head out because I don't want to stop on the road. I just want to go out, do my business, and come back home. So yeah, but these are my scents. Hey guys, so I'm out walking, doing my nature walk. Oh, the journey is rough today.
This was like I feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do in the
Guys, delivery came today. Yay. Yay. Delivery came. Hey guys. Yeah, so let's just unbox these things. Let's unbox these things. This is a birthday item. I'm not doing my birthday unboxing until after my birthday. I also think this is a birthday item. I'm not sure. Yeah, birthday item, guys, that I bought. And I bought me some outfits. This is a micro panty. This is a travel set. This is a dress I bought to wear for my cute bag Kimmy bought for me, my friend, my best friend. Yeah. So my friend bought me this purse for the longest time, and I haven't been able to wear it because I just don't have the perfect outfit. So I saw this cute little white dress and I bought it on Fashion Nova. Yes. And this is a Ed Hardy set. This is an Ed Hardy set that I bought for travel. Yeah. Cute, right? The top is kind of big, but I mean, it can work, guys. I'm acting like my girls are small. And yeah, it's cute. It will fit. And yeah, it will fit. And yeah, very cute. I like it. Guys, wow, they're so cute. Look. Ooh. Child, they're so cute. They look so good. Wow. So I bought this one. Right? I'm so happy they made it in time, guys. Yes, I bought this one. I'm gonna have to pull these for you to see them. I want you guys to see them. For toes. These are for toes. Alright. I bought this. They look really nice, guys. They look really, really good. They're like French for the toes. These are for the toes too. They're so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. Yes. Oh, these are so pretty. Wow, these are so pretty. Wow, guys, I love these ones. Wow, they're so pretty. What the frick? Yes, they are so pretty. These are nice. Yes, these are nice, man. Yeah, these are very nice. I didn't know they would make it here so fast, but they did, which is impressive. Like, SHEIN been really doing fast delivery. I really like that. I really love that. The top coat for them, because you know you have to have the top coat for when you put on the gel. Yeah, by accident. I bought 2 by accident, I believe. On it, it can fit in the suitcase. Yeah, it's really small. I'm gonna turn on the AC, guys. So by the way, guys, it's pink. Yeah, so it looks something like this. This comes in handy for, like, yeah, for doing my nails, like, yeah. So when I'm overseas, like, I won't have to worry about going to no nail tech. You know, I could just do my nails and just relax, you know. Yeah, which is a blessing, because I like having my nails done. So I'm so happy that I bought these persons and I got this lamp with the top coats. So I'll be good. I'll definitely be good. Yes, so I got these out the way. I'm so happy I got my persons. And yeah, I want me some outfits from SHEIN. But yeah, I got me some cute something. This is really nice. Ooh. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. This, it's kind of big though. It's bigger than I expected. I may go to the tailor to take it in. This jewelry top, each wear. Let's see if this can fit. I hope it can, because if it can't, like, I'm gonna be so upset. Yeah, it can fit me. It can, because, you know, and this dress, ooh, this dress is so nice. Ooh, I so like it. Ooh, guys, I love this dress. What the fuck, it looks so good. It is so nice. Wow. Wow. That I'll be traveling with, you know. Yeah, look. So cute, right? To put them on my toothbrush. Yeah. One of the thing for a toothbrush. Yeah. For a toothbrush. Because I just wanted something gold-ish. And I bought another pink one because you guys know I love pink. It's like pink and blue and a bunch of other colors. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm kind of set. Yes, guys, I'm kind of set for my little vacation. I'm gonna start packing today too. Since I get some stuff out of the way, I'm gonna start packing. Yeah, for sure. I'm going to start packing just to get them stuff out the way. You can take